In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a grid in Canva. Print multiple copies per page. We'll start by setting up the right canvas so your layout prints cleanly. Open Canva, click Create, and choose Custom. Enter 8.5 by 11 inches to match standard letter size paper, then create your new design. Working at the actual paper size makes it easier to visualize spacing and ensures your print dialog doesn't have to do any guesswork later. On the left panel, go to Elements and use the search bar to find Grid. Select the single grid option and click it to add it to your page. Think of this grid as a flexible frame. It helps you keep your design neatly contained, and anything you drop into it will snap to the edges automatically. Resize the grid to 5 by 7 inches. You'll see round drag handles on the corners. Use those to scale it. As you drag, watch the size readout that appears in Canva so you can hit exactly 5 inches by 7 inches. If you prefer, make small adjustments until the dimensions line up precisely. This size is perfect for printing 2 designs on one letter page with room to trim. Now duplicate the grid so you can create multiple copies on the same sheet. Use the duplicate icon or copy and paste, then drag the new grid to the side. Canva snap guides will help you keep everything aligned. You can place the second grid beside or below the first. Just make sure both sit within the page boundary so nothing gets clipped when printing. With your grids in place, add your content. Click to add text, drag in graphics, or place background images inside each grid. The grid will automatically crop images to fit, and you can double-click to nudge the positioning if needed. Keep a little breathing room near the edges so trimming is easy and your design looks intentional. When you're ready to export, click the Share button and choose Download. For file type, select PDF Print. This format preserves high resolution and crisp text, which is ideal for professional results. Finally, when you print, open your printer's dialog and choose Fit to Page or Scale to Fit. This ensures the layout lands correctly on the paper without unexpected cropping. If your printer offers layout options, choose the arrangement that suits your needs, including multiple pages per sheet for other uses. That's it. Thanks for watching.